So the next 2,700 and some odd miles will be traveling from Chicago down to Los Angeles. In fact, that's Santa Monica just there. And it's fantastic. What a way to end.
So, there we are.
We have it. We're done.
Yeah, 2,700 miles done in an RV, and we are now no longer in an RV. As you can see, we are hoteling.
Yes, we are. However, there were, as I found out when I was doing some research on it, there seems to be 4 endings, or when I say endings, 4 different parts of finalisation for when you get into Los Angeles.
That's for Route 66, you mean?
For Route 66, yeah. And I'm going, well, we've done most of it, but we stopped at the end.
Yeah, we did.
And you'll see a badge of another one on the road down here. Bizarre.
I know. We went. We settled for the one on Santa Monica Pier, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, where we met a guy who was handing out certificates for $10.
Yes.
We didn't wait for those.
Which we got.
Couldn't resist that. And we also met a couple who were just about to start on Route 66 the other way.
Going the other way, yeah.
Yeah.
Take your pick up which way you go
That's
on that
right.
way, yeah.
So we
did
were,
it.
yeah. We were anyway. We were able to offer them a few tips, so we chatted to them for about half an hour, didn't we? Yeah. So we're now in hotels now, hotels and trains for the rest of our journey, and we've got a good over 3,000 miles still to go.
Yes, we have. So we're going from LA up to San Francisco, which will be our next film. The reason why we're going there is, anyway, you'll find out why we're going there.
Yeah.
On the next film, yeah.
However, we got a few days in Santa Monica and this area to enjoy Los Angeles.
And next stop will be Universal Studios.
And as Steve mentioned, there were several signs. This was just one of them, and they all attracted selfies. We couldn't resist having a go, pointing at it, but as we said, we settled for the one further down the road.
And here we go. There's Santa Monica Boulevard.
Santa Monica Pier, Santa Monica Beach.
Yeah.
It's quite busy for a Wednesday night.
Yeah, but there's a massive car park. That was near when Colin and I were out. Sure. Yeah, I know. But they've still got cars on the beach though, look.
Yeah.
Colours. Come on then.
Now, we visited Santa Monica Pier several times. This is what it looks like at night, very pretty and all lit up. But we also went during the day to enjoy the attractions.
Yes, but hold on, you got to have a picture of us at the end of it, even if there is no road. Anyway, as you can see, I do have a bit of a thing about fridge magnets, but this one's quite good because it actually shows you all 8 states that you have to go through. And then you get to this one, because we didn't know it at the time, but it's actually their 100th anniversary, because it started in 1926. So that was a Brucey. Oh, and then this one has got the fact it's 2,448 miles, even though that's not quite what it was in the end. But then a luxury one, why not?
We had to wait around a bit for our room in the lovely weather, and we couldn't help noticing a picture of Arnold Schwarzenegger, who obviously is very well known in California and was a senator. I think he was a senator or governor.
Yeah, he was.
And there it is. He's up on the wall, and he's well known in the area and visits a local gym.
But at long last, after 4 hours? Oh, nightmare. But we're in. We made it.
Here we are, folks, finally in a hotel, after our Chicago hotel. This is the Fairmont and Miramar Hotel on Bowling Rose on Santa Monica Beach, or on Ocean Avenue. There's the beach. And our room was upgraded, which was a good job because it kept us waiting 4 hours for check-in. But anyway, Steve's having his first dip. But on a little swim. You can see him down there. I'm not as keen on swimming, so I've just had a shower to freshen up. They're ready for us to go out and get an evening meal.
What, after eating the chocolates that they accidentally put in our room for our, what was it, birthday, anniversary, or?
It was anniversary, but of course it was really our birthday.
Yep, we definitely went on that. There we go. No, you can say that again.
Windswept and interesting.
Yeah. But there we go. Bit of a foggy, well, it's not foggy, it's still misty day.
Must get covered in all sorts.
Now I'm walking along a Californian street. Bear with, because I think that there has got to be the tallest I've ever seen. It's massive.
I think the ones in Rome were tall.
No, they weren't that tall.
I think I shouldn't walk alongside them like you do here. Just see them from the bus.
That tall?
Yeah.
That.
I can never resist an interesting and colourful flower. And who fancies a bit of sun on their bum?
Yeah, but that's not what caught my attention. It's the cup I saw first, a good shed, and then I saw 3 rather interesting strong sauces. Perhaps a sore bum rather than a sun bum. But look, Route 66 did its job. 3 whole weeks of continuous fun, and yeah, after a couple of nice drinks and some fine weather, we get ready for more adventures.
If you've watched any of our films, you probably will have picked up on the fact that Steve and I are really big kids at heart, and we love doing kid things, and therefore in Los Angeles we had to absolutely go to Universal Studios, which is not a cheap endeavour.
No, but we're not in Florida and stuff where all the normal one is. So I thought we didn't want to. Well, we had a choice: Disney or Universal. And we went for Universal this time.
And also the difference in Los Angeles is that the Universal Studios for tourists and kids and the rides is attached to the real studios where real films, advertisements, music videos are made, including one of the recent ones of Taylor Swift. So there was a real difference here because you actually saw the real stuff as well as, going on all the rides.
We're not going to bore you to tears, we'll just show you some highlights.
I'm not quite sure where we're going, but...
Oh look, it's so empty.
Straight on, look, there's a sign there.
Now I'm guessing, because we're not quite in high season, that this whole road, being the amount of lanes there are, is horrendous.
Hey guys.
Hiya.
You guys sure to head to Jurassic Park.
Great, thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, thank you. And we chose Jurassic Park because we really wanted to see real dinosaurs. Just joking. The Jurassic Park parking bay is actually a little bit cheaper than the others, and that was fine for us. We didn't mind walking to get to the park.
Now, rides are rides, and we did do some. But the biggest thing about this park is the fact they got the recording studios within it. And there are particular elements to that which are unique, like this Harry Potter car and the Flintstones cars and loads of other stuff. Now, these buses, coaches, double width coaches, are quite big. And the fact you're going to have to book them to go on, it was quite a thing as well. And so a couple of hours go by, and as you can see, there are numerous studios, inside of which there are numerous things going on. You never know, might see somebody famous, but we didn't. But anyway, the temperature begins to get really quite warm, and we do begin to take in Harry Potter. And needless to say, ice creams come about as well. But that's it for our last day. We get to go back to the hotel and prep for our trip up to San Francisco. And as we're on holiday, a little stop at Pismo Beach wouldn't be amiss, would it? And along with the fact you can't check in to the new hotel until 3 or 4 p.m. And so no rush. We left mid-morning and went a little way before we lost the mist that was trying to keep us clear, stopping for what must be said the best lunch that we've ever had. And this is not a luxury 5-star hotel, this is a cafe. Absolutely fantastic. Now the hotel at Pismo Beach was absolutely fantastic. This is me on the veranda, and that in the back there is the bathroom. Very good. Now there is another little thing to mention. We had yet another tray. And what a view. No, not Fiona, I mean the other view. And as we were given a view like that, we had to go and have a look at the pier. And yeah, it was pretty alright. And then we saw this sign. Tsunamis and earthquakes? Wow. But yo, we were getting into the flavour of ice creams. And the fact they do so many different types. As you can see, some are not quite so interesting. But there has to be something said about this laid-back approach. We do that, by the way, on Pismo Beach, which is part of this film. You've seen a bit of that.
Yeah, I didn't call it Pismo Beach. I'll leave you to guess
Yeah,
what I called it.
Yeah, I know.
But we're hiring a car, driving up, so we're going through Malibu, up to Pismo Beach, and then up to San Francisco, where we're staying for a few days. We have a really good reason for going to San Francisco. More on that later. So keep watching. See the next part of our journey. Please like,
subscribe,
and hit the little bell. Got there in the end.
Yeah.